I just want to show you guys how it came apart. Steering wheel comes off. We're gonna put our nut back because again, I don't want to lose it. And then the little cluster here for your blinkers and whatnot, wipers. There is a spring clip here. You can compress that spring clip and it just kind of knocks off there. Oh, come on. I told y'all it's easy and then it doesn't be easy. Oop, there it went. So that comes off in one piece. And that's the big like hose clamp that was holding it on. I'll go ahead. Maybe we won't put that back. It just left from here.